Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use side panels in your Chrome extension. So instead of when you click on your extension icon, it opens in pop-up, it can open in a side panel. So let's get started. For that, we are going to be using chrome.sidePanel API. So let's get started on that. So first and foremost, you need an extension like, boilerplate. I always use Plasmo Framework. So you can even see it here, the Plasmo Framework, and you can just do npm create Plasmo to create an extension boilerplate, right? So you'll have the extension boilerplate here. And what you need to do is you need to go to your package.json, and here you need to ask for permissions for side panel, right? So permissions will add permission and just say side panel, right? And then once we have the permission, we are going to create a side panel dot ts file. Okay. And we are also going to specify here which file is going to be our side panel, like the UI of the side panel, which file is going to be. So here we'll just say default path. And instead of default path, we are going to say, instead of index.html, we are going to say side panel.html, because what Plasma will do is whenever you compile, it will create the HTML file with the same name that you created the TS file with. Okay. All right. So now that is done, what we need to do is we need to open this side panel whenever we click on the action icon, which is like the pop-up icon in our address bar, right? So I'm just going to create a background.js because we need to use the Chrome APIs. So I'm going to create a background.ts, and in this, I'm going to set the side panel behavior. So for that, I'm going to do chrome.sidePanel dot set panel behavior open panel on action click, right? So basically whenever we click the icon, it will open the side panel for us, right? So this is chrome.sidepanel.sidePanel behavior open panel on click equal to true. And now I'm going to create some UI here, right? So let's just create a UI export. Let's just click on side panel, and it should be TSX actually. Not TSS, TSX, right? Now I'll just create a function, right? So const side panel equal to return. This is a side panel, right? Like just let's say this is a side panel, and that's pretty much it. And I'm just gonna export this, right? Right now, let's see if this works. So I'm gonna start the dev server. So npm run dev. Okay, so it's building. Okay, this is packaged. Now I'm going to go to Chrome, and I'm going to go here in the Chrome // extensions, and then I'm going to load my file. So load unpacked. I'll just go to my projects, YouTube project, Chrome side panel, build, and upload this one. And hopefully this works. So I'm going to go here, and I have extension. Let's, and you can see the side panel, right? So yeah, I mean, this is how you can add side panel to your Chrome extension. And this looks very good in terms of pop-up, right? Like if you want to include a whole UI into your extension, you can just do that using side panel. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope I'll see you in the next one.